Hi, my name is Lydia Neuroth, and I'm the project manager for the Virginia Untold project here at the Library of Virginia. We've gotten a few questions lately from genealogists, users, members of the public. Even my own colleagues have asked about how to search Virginia Untold by a geographic locality. So I'm going to use this short video to demonstrate how to perform an advanced search in Virginia Untold to identify records by locality, whether that's a Virginia county or city. And then I'm going to show how to find a particular record type from a given locality. So I'm starting with the Virginia Untold homepage. And a lot of folks, myself included, use this main search bar to search Virginia Untold, which can be useful. But today I'm going to talk about the advanced search feature. So it brings up a menu here. And the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that the field I'm searching is coverage. Coverage is the fancy word that the system uses to apply to geographic locality, like a Virginia city or county. So in this situation, we're going to pretend that we're searching for records from Campbell County. So I'm curious what records we have digitized specifically related to this county in Virginia Untold. And so I could keep the word contains here. If I know that I've spelled the county exactly right, I could take a risk and use contains the exact phrase. But I think it's smart to kind of stick with contains. So I can click enter from here or search, and this is going to show me all of the records that we have tagged with this geographic location. So that could include both local government records and state government records that are associated with Campbell County. I see 533 results. I could start working through some of these. I think it's useful to use the filter section on the left side to sort of browse what record types are coming up immediately. So it looks like we have a lot of deeds from this locality, a lot of bills of sale. I know that public claims are a state document. There's some other records identified here. You'll notice too that there's other localities that are included. So some of these records contain multiple localities within a record type. So a lot of these are state records, and you see that sort of showing up here. Okay, well, that's a geographic locality. What if we wanted to search by record type? So I'm going to go up here, I'm going to take off my filters, and I'm going to change which field I'm searching by. So this time I want to find a certain type of record that we've digitized in Virginia Untold. So I happen to know what the titles of the records are, but it might be useful for you to see which record types are actually available for searching. So one of the easiest ways to do that is to actually use the search by record types button at the top of the screen, which breaks all of the record types in Virginia Untold down into sub-collections. So this will just give you a really quick overview of all of these record types. And so I know that I'm looking for free Negro registrations or free Negro certificates, but I want to make sure that I'm using the correct language to enter into my search. So I'm seeing here that we've used the title free Negro registration. So when I go back to do an advanced search in Virginia Untold, I'm going to make sure that I type that phrase explicitly into my search term field here. So I'm going to click search, and I scroll down and I see that I have 4,000 results. Well, let's come over to the left and sort of survey what sort of localities we've digitized free registrations from. So this is automatically sorted by the most. So Powhatan County, we have almost 600 free Negro registrations from that locality that we've digitized. Well, I was looking for Campbell County, so let's scroll down here. Well, I'm not seeing Campbell County, which is interesting because I know for a fact that we digitized free Negro registrations from Campbell County. Why am I not seeing it in my list? Well, that's because our coverage field in the filter section only includes 25 localities. So it's going to include the top 25 localities for this particular record type. So that means that I need to make sure that I'm including that in my advanced search function or my advanced search. So in this particular case, I want to search both record type and coverage or geographic locality. So I'm going to also type in Campbell County. And when I search, I do in fact find free Negro registrations that are from Campbell County. And they weren't included originally in my list. So that's just a note to make sure that if you're looking specifically for a record type from a specific locality, that you may need to use both of those search terms in an advanced search function.